Hey guys, so the Chinese handset maker Oppo has confirmed the launch date of one of its most hyped smartphone of this year, the Oppo F15. By the way, if Oppo launches F15, then there are chances that we might get to see F15 Pro as well. Anyways, F15 is set to launch on 16th of January, which is not far away. This is a successor to Oppo F11, which came with an AI-powered dual rear camera setup, water drop display notch and 4020 mAh battery. As teased in the poster, the new smartphone will come with 48 megapixel primary camera at the back and promises to deliver high quality pictures. It's not the 64 megapixel lens that we hoped, but it's the next best thing we have on mid-range smartphones. The new device will also support Vooc Flash Charge 3.0 for fast charging. The fast charging technology will offer users 2 hours of talk time within 5 minutes of charge, and we have seen Vooc Flash Charge 3.0 in action, so no surprises there. The Oppo F15 will also come with the new in-display fingerprint 3.0 sensor, which is set to unlock device in 0.32 seconds. Through its teaser, Oppo also confirmed that the new handset will house at least 8 GB of RAM. Now whatever I told you came directly from Oppo, which means they are confirmed. Apart from these features, the Chinese smartphone maker has not revealed more details on the specifications such as the processor used, the battery capacity, etc. But we have few leaks and rumors which might turn out to be true. As for the reports about the phone on the web, the phone is expected to feature a water drop display notch on the front with a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, which is a huge upgrade from the current LCD display on Oppo F11. As for protection, it will get Gorilla Glass 5 protection on top, and the back will probably be made up of glossy polycarbonate material. The camera setup on the device will be quad lens setup, which is clearly visible from the promo of this device. It will get 48 megapixel main sensor, which is again confirmed, but what's not confirmed is the rest of the camera sensors. And according to rumors, they are 8 megapixel ultra wide sensor with f2.2 aperture, 2 megapixel dedicated macro lens and 2 megapixel depth sensor. As for processor, according to rumors, it will get Helio P70 chipset, which Oppo has used a lot in its previous models. But an upgrade would be necessary as the phone in 10,000 rupees price bracket also features the same processor. I think Helio G90T or Snapdragon 730G would be a good upgrade in 4G category, and I don't think we will be seeing 5G smartphones anytime soon in India. As for the battery capacity, it could be 4025 mAh with 30 Watt fast charging. It will retain 3.5mm headphone jack and will come with USB-C port. As for storage, it will come with 8GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage, and there is no report of any other storage options for now. And currently, we don't have any idea about pricing, so if something new comes up, I will let you know. So, are you interested? Do let us know from the comment section below. See you in the next one, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.